How to make hard candy without corn syrup? Quick and easy hard candy without corn syrup and food coloring. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 25 minutes, resting time, 30 minutes, total time, 1 hour, yield, approximately 40 candies. Ingredients: 1½ cups granulated sugar, ½ cup of water, ½ teaspoon cream of tartar, optional, 1 teaspoon peppermint oil. Instructions. Step 1: Mix the sugar, water, and cream of tartar in a saucepan and stir over medium heat until fully dissolved. Step 2: Once dissolved, stop stirring and bring to a boil. Step 3: Carefully brush the sides of the pan above the sugar with the pastry brush that's dipped in water. Step 4: Place the candy thermometer and allow it to cook until the hard crack stage is reached at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5: Remove from heat and add in the peppermint oil if desired. Stir carefully using a heatproof spatula. Step 6: Pour into the candy molds and rest for 30 minutes. Step 7: Enjoy.